Hi guys, it's time for another episode of RC Engineer. Joining me today is Solutions Architect at Park Place, Matt Avila. Matt, how are we doing today?
I'm doing unbelievable. Yourself, Jack?
Absolutely fantastic. Matt, today's question that was submitted was short and sweet, and it's simply, what is hyperconverged infrastructure?
Wow, that's a broad question, Jack. So, it depends on who you're going to ask what answer you get. In a nutshell, hyperconverged infrastructure is essentially bringing the cloud operating experience into an on-prem appliance or cluster appliance.
Yep.
In a real broad sense or condensed answer, we take compute, network, and storage, put that into a 1 or a 2U pizza box with CPU, memory, and disk, build a cluster of these out, and offer IT services up through that infrastructure. In short, what it does is it puts everything on a single life cycle from a hardware and software perspective, and can deliver that cloud experience both on-prem and off-prem into AWS, Google, deal of the day, Azure, wherever you're getting those services. So we can build that hybrid type model. Does that make sense?
Yeah, absolutely. Great stuff. And what are the main benefits of a hyperconverged infrastructure?
Well, the biggest one is, the simplicity from both a hardware and a software standpoint. Because I don't have multiple, that traditional three-tier architecture with, compute, storage, and network, all with different vendors. I can pull that back to an appliance. From a hardware perspective, should one of these appliances fail, it's as easy as pulling it out and putting a new one back in without impacting production. Again, other benefits, being able to seamlessly move my application off-prem. For example, burst the retail environment. I need to ramp up with a holiday season. I need more capacity. Let me burst that out to public cloud. When I'm done, pull it back.
Sure. Yeah, absolutely. Great answer there, Matt. An interesting response for a relatively broad topic, all things said and done. If you'd like to submit a question to one of our engineers, feel free to reach out to us by commenting below this post. For now, we'll see you next time on RC Engineer.
Thanks, Jack.